Do you want to edit professional looking videos on your laptop or computer for free? Then stay tuned because in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. Hi, I'm Maryam and welcome to my YouTube channel, Live and Learn with Maryam. You might have already seen on the thumbnail that the tool we'll be using is CapCut. So in this video, I'll be showing how to download, install and start working with CapCut. So without wasting another second, let's get started. To install the CapCut, you can tap on the link I provided in the description. It will lead you to this website. You can see it was updated on April 18, 2025. Click on this download button. Once the file is downloaded, you'll find it in your downloads folder. Now double click the setup file, click yes, click install now. You can see it has started installing. Installation is complete. Click on start now. This is the home screen you'll see. Click on create project. This is your CapCut workspace. This in the middle, you have your preview window to watch everything as you edit. On the left, you can import your clips, images or music. Down here is the timeline where all the editing happens. On the right hand side here, you'll see a detailed section about your project. Here you can check the aspect ratio of your video, the file save path, the video name, resolution and all these. These settings help you control how your final video will look and where it will be saved. Now let's import some media. I'll add photos, videos and clips into the project. See, these are all the imported files. To add these to the timeline, you need to just click on this plus button, or you can also simply drag and drop. Here I'll do some basic edits. Sometimes we need to make very fine adjustments in our clips, like cutting at the exact frame. For that, you can zoom in on the timeline. There are two ways to do this. If you're using a touchpad or touch screen, just use the pinch gesture to zoom in and out. Or you can use the magnifying scale right above the timeline to control the zoom more precisely. Zooming in gives you a closer view of the detailed edits, while zooming out lets you see the bigger picture of your project and manage longer sections more easily. If you select a video clip, you'll see these tabs here like video, speed, animation and adjustment. If you're working on a photo, you'll find similar options, even for audio clips and other types. Basically, depending on what you select in the timeline, CapCut gives you a dedicated set of tools in this top right panel to customize and polish your clips. These give you full control over trimming, adding creative motions, correcting colors or brightness, and much more. You'll see an arrow when you hover below any clip on the timeline. You can click and drag it upwards and downwards to adjust the volume of that particular clip. Editing often requires splitting clips, and CapCut gives us three very handy split tools. The first one is the basic split, which simply divides your clip into two parts. The shortcut for this is Ctrl+B. The second one is split and delete right, which cuts the clip at your playhead and instantly removes everything on the right side. The shortcut key for this is just W. And the third one is split and delete left, which does the same but removes everything on the left side of the playhead. Its shortcut key is Q. So depending on whether you just want to cut or you also want to quickly remove one side of the clip, you can pick the tool that saves you the most time. This isn't limited to video clips, it works with every object, whether it's text, an image, audio or even stickers. Just make sure the object is selected before you split. For the text, click here, click here. You'll see controls to change font size, style, and add animations to make your titles and captions more engaging. By the way, if you're wondering where I downloaded these royalty-free clips and music, I've made another video explaining that in detail. The link is in the description, so do check it out. Once you're happy with your edit, click on the export button. Here you can choose your resolution, FPS, file path and other settings. When everything looks good, click on export again and CapCut will render your final video. The video is now rendering. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out the other parts in this series. I've added them all in a dedicated playlist called CapCut Full Course 0 to Hero. Yoo-hoo! Render is completed. Here's the final video that we just created in the CapCut. So that's how you can download, install and start editing with CapCut. So this was the sample video we created in today's tutorial. As you can see, it doesn't have any background music or sound effects yet. In my next video, I'll show you exactly how to add music, background tracks and sound effects along with a few more editing tools to make your videos more engaging. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share and subscribe for more editing guides.